Hello, and welcome to Hello English Lab, the place where you learn real, useful English that you can use in your daily life. I'm Frank, your English teacher with years of experience helping beginner learners become confident English speakers. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt sick but didn't know how to explain your symptoms in English? Have you wanted to visit a doctor but felt scared or nervous because you don't speak English fluently? You're not alone. So many students, just like you, tell me, "Teacher, I don't know how to talk to a doctor in English. What if I forget the words? I'm afraid I won't understand the doctor's questions." That's why I created this special lesson just for you. Today, we will learn how to go to the doctor in English. You'll learn key vocabulary for visiting a clinic or hospital, common questions doctors ask, real conversations between doctor and patient, how to describe your symptoms, how to ask for medicine or help, and much more. Going to the doctor is something we all must do, and we want to explain our problems clearly. If you don't understand English well, this can be very stressful. But after this lesson, I promise, you'll feel more comfortable and ready. So get your notebook, relax, and let's start learning. Let's start with some important vocabulary you will hear at a doctor's clinic or hospital. Please listen, repeat after me, and say the words out loud. That's how you learn best. Now let's explain some basic vocabulary that is associated with going to the doctor. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. Doctor, a medical professional who helps you. Nurse, a person who assists the doctor. Clinic, a small medical center. Hospital, a large place where sick people are treated. Appointment, a scheduled meeting with the doctor. Patient, the person who is sick or visiting the doctor. Receptionist, the person at the front desk who helps with check-in. Now let's learn some common symptoms. These are the ways your body tells you it's not feeling well. Repeat after me. Headache, pain in your head. Fever, when your body is too hot. Cough, when you make a sound from your throat. Sore throat, pain in your throat. Stomachache, pain in your belly. Cold, a common illness such as sneezing and runny nose. Back pain, pain in your back. Dizzy, feeling like the room is spinning. Tired or fatigue, when you are low energy. Injury, hurt from an accident such as cut, bruise, etc. Great job! Now this is a good time to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who are also trying to learn English. In this next section, we will quickly go over some things the doctor or nurse will do when you visit the hospital. Are you ready? Take a deep breath and repeat after me. Prescription, a written note for medicine. Medicine, the pills or liquid to help you heal. Pharmacy, where you buy the medicine. Injection, a shot with a needle. X-ray, a picture of your bones or chest. Checkup, a health test to see if you're okay. Don't worry if you forget a word. We will practice all of these in real dialogue soon. Let's practice using some of the words in short sentences. Repeat after me. I have a fever and a sore throat. I'd like to see the doctor, please. Can I make an appointment for tomorrow? I'm feeling very tired and dizzy. Do I need a prescription for this medicine? Where is the pharmacy? Awesome! You're doing really well so far. In Section 2, We'll jump into real English conversations, step-by-step dialogues between a patient and a doctor. You'll listen, repeat, and speak out loud with me. By the end of this video, you'll be able to walk into any clinic and say, "Hello, I'd like to see the doctor. I'm not feeling well." Let's keep going.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I see someone today?
Yes, we have a doctor available in 30 minutes. What's your name?
My name is Gerald.
Okay, please wait in the waiting room. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you. Great. That was your first real English interaction at a clinic. Let's move on to the doctor's office. Remember to take a deep breath and repeat at your own pace.
Hello, I'm Dr. Smith. What brings you in today?
Hello, doctor. I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I do.
Any pain when you swallow?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow.
Okay, I'll take a quick look at your throat. Say, ah.
Ah.
It looks like you have a throat infection. I'll give you a prescription for antibiotics.
Thank you. How many times should I take it?
Take it twice a day for 5 days.
Okay, do I need to rest?
Yes, drink lots of water and rest at home.
Thank you, doctor.
Get well soon.
Well done. That's exactly how a visit might go in real life. Let's try another example. This time for a stomach ache. And you will be meeting a female doctor.
Hello, I am Dr. Lisa. What seems to be the problem today?
I have a bad stomach ache.
Where does it hurt exactly?
In the middle of my stomach.
Do you feel sick or want to vomit?
Yes, I feel like vomiting.
Did you eat anything unusual recently?
Yes, I ate food from a street vendor yesterday.
Okay, you may have food poisoning. I'll give you some medicine.
Thank you. Can I eat normally?
Avoid spicy food and drink lots of water.
Okay, how long will it take to get better?
You should feel better in 2 or 3 days.
Thanks again, doctor. Great work. You're now learning how to describe symptoms clearly and understand the doctor's questions. Remember to rewind the video and repeat every word to improve your vocabulary and conversation. In this next section, we are going to quickly run through some phrases you would use when you visit the doctor. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hello, I'd like to see a doctor, please. I don't have an appointment. I'm not feeling well today. My name is Tolu. I've been feeling sick for 2 days. I'm here because I have a fever and sore throat. Can I see the doctor now? Excellent. Let's keep going. Now let's focus on how to describe your symptoms when you visit the doctor. Remember to take a deep breath and repeat the words until you become more confident. Are you ready? Let's get started. Repeat after me. I have a headache and I feel tired. I have a cough and a sore throat. My stomach hurts after eating. I feel dizzy when I stand up. I think I have a cold. I feel pain in my chest when I breathe. I have a high fever and chills. My back has been hurting for 3 days. Great work. You're building real fluency now. Now let's practice questions the doctor may ask you and how you can answer them. I'll say both the question and a sample answer. Repeat both parts. You are going to hear a female doctor's voice and a response from a male patient. I want you to practice both speech and improve your fluency. Are you ready? Take a deep breath and let's begin.
What are your symptoms?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
How long have you felt sick?
For 2 days.
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I'm not taking anything.
Do you have allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Have you had this problem before?
Yes, I had it last year.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, I don't.
Do you have any pain right now?
Yes, my stomach really hurts. Good job. Keep practicing these over and over until they feel natural. Now let's move to asking for help. Now let's talk about how to ask the doctor for help. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done that already. Take a deep breath and repeat after me. Repeat after me. Can you give me something for the pain? Is this serious? Do I need to go to the hospital? What should I do to feel better? How many days should I rest? How should I take this medicine? Are there any side effects? Fantastic. You've done well so far. Now you know how to speak to the doctor when you visit the hospital. I want you to write in the comments section a simple phrase you would use when you visit the doctor. Also, share this video with a friend who is struggling to speak English. Remember to check out our video on how to shop in English. It contains a detailed explanation on how to buy clothes at the clothing store. Also, subscribe to Hello English Lab so you never miss any of our latest videos. Rewind this video and learn in 15 minutes how to visit the doctor in English.